Welcome to new video. I will create attachment part in this video. Create a new part. Select front plane and sketch. Select 3-point arc and create one arc like this. Coincident these 2 points. Select this to end point, give relation as horizontal. Now create a similar arc by using 3-point arc. Coincident these 2 points. Give relation as horizontal for these 3 points. Join it by using line. Give the radius of outer arc is 12 millimeters. And give 10 millimeters for inner arc. Now go to the Feature tab and extrude. We are extruding for 50 millimeters. Now our base part is ready. For making top body part, select lower surface of part and sketch. Select Circle tool and draw a circle of 24 millimeters diameter. Click on Offset Entity. Give to millimeters and click on Reverse. Select the circle sketch. Click on Right. Now go to the Feature tab and extrude. Now we have reverse it. Click on Reverse. We are extruding top part with 45 millimeters. Now our attachment part is look like this. But still it is not in center. Edit Sketch. Select Smart Dimensions. Click on Origin and Center. Give 25 millimeters. Now it is in center position. We have to remove extra parts. Click on this surface and sketch. Select 3-point arc. Make a semicircle. Go to Feature tab and select Extrude Cut. Now sketch on right plane. Select Circle tool. Draw small circle on top side. Draw one on bottom side. Select both circles by pressing Ctrl key. Give relation is equal. Give dimensions to one circle as for millimeters. Select center points and give vertical relation. Give distance from center to side is 12 millimeters. Center to top side is 5 millimeters. Center to bottom side is also 5 millimeters. Go to the Feature tab, select Extrude Cut. Select Mid-plane and click on Right. Now our attachment part is ready. This is our first attachment part. I will make some more part like this. Make sure you subscribe me for upcoming video. Thank you.